is symmetry, line of symmetry, polygons, regular polygons, line symmetry in regular polygons. And in science, state of water, water vapor, condensation, and type of state and their properties. So in math, class 7, chapter 11, exercises is complete, and I start chapter 12. Chapter 12 name symmetry, and chapter 11 exponent, and our chapter is over. And in chapter 12, I reached till page number 190 in math. And in science, chapter 6, exercises is over. Chapter 7, chapter is complete. Exercises is left. And chapter 8, I started new a journey to the state of water. Normally these are the points which I learned in this week. I repeat once again: symmetry, inner symmetry, line of symmetry, regular polygons, line of symmetry, regular polygons. In science, state of water and their properties, water vapor, and how water changes state. What is the reason that water changes its state? So we talk till exercise 2. This week I will solve exercise 3 of math chapter 11. Exercise 11.3. So in this we are talking about so there are 4 questions. First question: write the following number in exponent form. The number is 27. This is in exponent form of this number. Second question is find a number from each of the following expanded form. This will be the number of this expanded form. Third question is express the following number in standard form. Standard form of decimal. Easily we can say 5 power 7. And the fourth question is express the number appeared in the following statement in standard form. So the statement is the distance between Earth and Moon is 3. So this is the distance between Earth and Moon, and we have to write it in standard form. So we can say 3.84 multiplied by 10 to power 8. This is in standard form. So in math, there are 4 questions, and I take 1 question in each of these questions. In symmetry, I did not reach till exercise. Means I see the video, but I did not stop. Mainly I can calculate. This is the picture, and the line of symmetry is this. So this is the line of symmetry. This is the picture, and this is the symmetrical figure of this. We can say mirror image of this one. And in polygon means a set formed with line segment. Here question क्या है? Yes. Now we can talk. I'll solve the question of chapter 11, last exercise. line of symmetry is a line which is in between. I have definition of line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a imaginary line. There is it. It is not important that the line have to means there have to be a line. We can imagine a line that divide a shape or any object into two identical mirror image in half, means like this notebook. There is, if we are ignoring this writing, this line we can say line of symmetry, and because this is the symmetrical figure of this. Maybe if we are not seeing this upper line, only this, so it will be only this part. So this line will be symmetrical line of symmetry. This line will be line of symmetry, and line of symmetry. इसके बाद क्या था? Line of symmetry था polygons. Polygons, any shape which formed by a line segment, we call it polygons. Line segment which have a starting point and ending point. So that is a line segment, and a polygon formed with line segment. Any shape which formed by a line segment, not a curved line. A line segment, we say it a polygon, and a polygon have minimum 3 line segment, and that is a triangle. We cannot make a polygon less than 3 line segment. At least we need 3 line segment for making a polygon. And for symmetry, as many sides as a polygon have, so there is as many line segment in a polygon as it have side. Like if we are pentagon have 5 line segment. A triangle have 3 line. Sorry, a pentagon have 5 line of symmetry. A triangle have 3 line of symmetry. A square have 4 line of symmetry. So as many side as a polygon have, so as many line segment in a polygon as there is the sides. If there is 5 sides, so there will be 5 polygon. Sorry, 5 line segment. Not line segment. Line of symmetry. 5 line of symmetry. Like example of a triangle, there is 3 sides, so there will be 3 line of symmetry. In a square, there will be 4 sides, so it will be 4 line of symmetry. And in a circle, it will be infinite line of symmetry. Means we cannot count it. Line of symmetry, polygon, regular polygon. यही है polygon. So yeah, हो गया. मैथ इतना ही था. चैप्टर 11 कंप्लीट हो गया. चैप्टर 12 सिमेट्री स्टार्ट हुआ है. एंड इन साइंस चैप्टर 6 क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व हो गया है. चैप्टर 7 क्वेश्चन आंसर इज पेंडिंग. चैप्टर 7 नेम, टेम्परेचर एंड इट मेजरमेंट. एंड आई स्टार्ट चैप्टर 8 which name is A Journey Through State of Water. So state of water means there are three state of water. Ice, solid state; water, liquid state; and gas. Gas को भी can say gas का क्या था? are three type of state. There are three state of water. First, ice, solid state. Second, water, liquid state, and third, water, vapor, vapor, gaseous state. Means we can. So water will change its state if we change its temperature. Means if we put water in freezer, then it will be change its state into solid form. And if we put water in a normal temperature, it will be in liquid form. And if we heat the water, then it will be gaseous. It will convert into gaseous form, means gaseous state. And the process जिससे लिक्विड स्टेट से गैसियस स्टेट में जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं कंडेंसन. सॉरी, माय प्रोनाउंसिएशन मिस्टेक है. इट विल बी कंडेंसन. Spelling is CONDEN, condensation. CONDENSATION, condensation. The process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid state, it called condensation. Sorry, जो गैसियस स्टेट से लिक्विड स्टेट में आता है उसे हम कंडेंसन कहते हैं. लाइक अगर कोई चीज़ हीट में है और अगर वो किसी कोल्ड चीज़ के कांटेक्ट में आती है तो वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में हो जाती है. तो उस प्रोसेस को हम कंडेंसन कहते हैं. एंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस थ्री स्टेट इज फर्स्ट सॉलिड स्टेट. इट्स शेप in respect solid state ice, it will not change its shape if we put it in a different type of container or anywhere. It is solid, means it's always remain solid. It convert into liquid but it does not change its shape. अगर जब तक सॉलिड है तब तक सॉलिड रहता है. मीन्स अब लिक्विड हो जाता है तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज अलग हो जाती हैं. बट इन सॉलिड फॉर्म इट डज नॉट चेंज इट्स शेप एंड इट डज नॉट फ्लो और स्प्रेड. इन वाटर it can flow and change its shape as we put it in anywhere, means in different container, different type of container, it will change its shape as per the container and as per the shape of the container. And water does not have a fixed shape, it's always changing if we are moving it and from one place to another. And the volume of water is remain constant, it does not change. The volume of water will not change even it will change, even it change its shape, but the volume of water does not change. It can spread while keeping volume constant. The volume of water does not change. Water vapor, gaseous state. It can spread anywhere and it available in air, water, even in our room. And we cannot see it, it's invisible. And if it can spread anywhere, it is present in the air. And it is the water that evaporate. An example like mopping with the cloth of, on the floor, and like we are making something, and thing like gas comes out, that is the water. And if we put a thing on the way of the gas, it will convert into water, a drop of water. So only this are from science and math. Anything else? Yeah, only this from math and science. And in English, I read book 7 Habits, but I am not able to understand it. I am in chapter, put first thing first, that this chapter is completed, and now I think I read 20 pages of public victory, like think win-win. So we have to think. I understand from there. Sorry, there are many examples. So I understand from there. Think, don't think that I will win and say he or she will lose. Think about both. Think about a way that both can be both can be win. Means think about a win-win situation. Don't think that I will win and say he or she will lose. And if we are doing this, then a company will or organization will run properly. Like there is an example like that about business and their organization. So in English I learn only this.